Afternoon everyone, it's baking day in my house. So today I'm making the most delicious chocolate chip cookies. It's going to be a very easy recipe. I'm going to do it in the microwave convection oven. And let's get started. Okay, I have my recipe card here. Tells me the amounts because I don't have them off the top of my head. First thing is we're going to take 3 sticks of butter, which is 1.5 cups. We're going to take 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and what we're going to do is we're going to add in both sugars. They're 1.5 cups of brown sugar and white sugar. Alright. And you want this to be a creamy consistency. You want your butter room temperature, not melted and not cold. What we're going to do is add 4 cups of flour into the bowl, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put this down and we're slowly going to blend it together. We're going to start spooning this in or putting it in. This is our butter mixture. Before I put in the chocolate chips, I want to make sure that we start to preheat the microwave convection oven. And I don't know if I've explained this before, but this is the convection, this is the microwave. So what we do is, I want to do it manually. So I do bake, I go back twice for manual convection bake, select. Normally you would want to cook this cookie on 375, but in the convection oven, we're going to do it at 350. Select. I'm going to open the door and then start. It will take a few minutes to preheat. What I'm going to do is start working in the chocolate chips. And we have quite a few. 4 cups of chocolate chips is what this recipe calls for. This will make 3 to 4 dozen cookies. I'm not talking these big monster cookies, I'm talking your average chocolate chip cookie. Okay. Alright, now that we have all the chocolate chips blended in, and I'm just making sure everything's in there, I'm going to take and use my old-fashioned ice cream scoop. Let's see if it'll work. And push down, just like you would grab a scoop of ice cream. What you want to do is place it about 2 inches apart. On a cookie sheet like this, you can probably get, I would say, 8 cookies. We have 2 sheets of cookies ready to go. We're going to put them in the microwave convection oven. I want to make sure that I turn off the turntable because there's not enough room for the pan to turn. We will bake these for 12 to 15 minutes. What you're looking for is a light brown consistency. Okay. I'd say these are ready to come out. These are the perfect cookie. Perfect chocolate chip cookie. So what you're going to do is you're going to let it sit in the pan for 1 to 2 minutes to cool. Then you're going to put it on a baking rack for 10 minutes. And then you'll be done. I'm going to freeze the rest of this dough instead of making more cookies. This is enough for my husband and myself for tonight. Actually, for a couple days. So all I'm going to do is take and put the rest in a freezer bag and freeze it. Here you have it. You have instant cookie dough for the next time you want to bake cookies. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.